Greetings. This is Christine here. Thank you for tuning in, and may we together find what we are looking for. It breaks my heart to see all the pains and turmoils. It's happening everywhere. How little do we know what we are going through, and how do we even assume that the new normal will be the same old routine? As we transition into the era of the Aquarius, the age of Aquarius foretells a shift beyond technological and medical innovations and calls for a better way of working with each other and a greater sense of community spirit. This is the age of the thinker, and the common man must lay down his ego at the altar of knowledge. This is where we barter our position for a better world. The ego is the door from where the devil mines into our heart. Ego is where we depart from the Holy Trinity. Like all life forces, the ego is what will eventually drag us away from the promises of the new world. You can feel it in the anger, in the clenching of the teeth. Ego is the real evil. Now, as I say, we are moving to the age of Aquarius. What does all that mean? We must understand that our life is governed by a cosmic cycle in terms of frequency and vibration.